This is my carrying case for a small 400 or 450 size helicopter. Opens up like that. You can work here, whatever. And the helicopter is secured down up at the front by this strap that goes over the landing gear, and that's held on by Velcro. Then there's a strap on the tail boom, which is also held in by Velcro. And the helicopter fits very nicely. Your radio can fit right in there like that, so your radio won't be bouncing around. And then your tools can slide in there, held in by this strap, which is taped on. Then your helicopter will be safe, and you can take it wherever you want to go. That's a Blade 400 in there, if you haven't noticed. Then it all just folds back up. And if you really want me to make a tutorial, I can. Just leave your request in the comments. Thank you.